John, or Jack Cameron, born July 10, 1926, Hudson, Wisconsin. Well, when the war hit, I first saw it on the newspaper at early morning headlines that December 7. And so I got to thinking, I was a little bit too young to be joining the service then. But as I was going through high school, I went through junior year and said to my mother and father, I'm going to join the Navy. And it was even a couple of months short then. But they signed for me. I went to Minneapolis and joined the Navy. Well, I think it was a lot of Midwestern kids had never seen the ocean. I had never seen the ocean. I was never seasick. And by being that way, my name being start with a C, you get duties. When we left San Francisco, I was in the gun tubs. Having the lookout spot up there, we did have an experience that was hair-raising. I spotted something in the ocean in front of us, and the closer it got, I kept reporting it, and they said, that's a mine, and a floating mine. They're big round things. And when they got closer to the ship, why then they had poles down on the lower decks to keep it away from the ship. When it hit the fantail or the end of the boat, they shot it and blew it up. Well, when they asked me what I wanted to do, I had two choices. I could go run boats, or I could be a carpenter. And I thought, well, when I get out of the service, I got to do something. I'm not going to run boats, so I'll be a carpenter. I ended up in a PT boat repair shop. They'd go up through the channels of the Philippines. There they had a lot of fights, and they'd get shot up. PT boats were made of plywood. Once in a while, they'd be punctured or something like that. We had to make sides for that. But other than that, well, what any carpenter work they wanted done around there, they'd call us. And we get into this hard boat island, and you're talking about being beautiful, and a lot of people thought a jungle would be beautiful. I'm sorry to say that some of them walked over into the jungle and didn't come back. Because we had Japs in that jungle. They didn't know the war was over. When we came back, it was in mid-year, and there's probably about 10 of us that we went back and were in the service, came back out, went back and finished our education in high school.